Be ready, start. Dear shareholders, this is the 19th annual general meeting of our company, and on behalf of my colleagues on the board of directors, I welcome you all to our annual general meeting. I also extend a warm welcome to all investors and viewers following this event on the internet. In 2009, the world was in a state of shock. The economic and financial crisis was a major challenge in the economic, political, and social terms, and not easy for any of us. The economic crisis required us to redouble our efforts and draw on our full potential. We acted with speed and determination, implementing actions early on in order to offset the effects of the crisis. At the same time, we continued to invest in our future. Very few car manufacturers generated positive results in 2009. Your company, ladies and gentlemen, is one of them, and more than that, we continue to be the world's leading premium manufacturer in terms of sales volume. Our group is the world's most sustainable automaker. For the fifth consecutive year, the index has ranked our company at the top of its list. Your company is also the world's most admired company in the automotive segment. This is based on a survey of top managers and business experts worldwide conducted by Fortune magazine. In the new brand social currency study conducted by Autospace Consultancy, your company was named number 1 among 60 well-known brands. The evaluation is based on the strength of the connection between a brand and its customers. And last but not least, we hold the most prestigious brand among the young generation. This consumer group has an annual spending capacity of $200 billion, and the most prestigious brands to this young generation are our automobiles. These are the many superlatives we achieved in 2009. You, our shareholders, have stood by us. Your commitment means a lot to us, even more so in challenging times. On behalf of the board of directors and the entire group workforce, I thank you for your loyalty and your trust. We understand that you participated in our performance in 2009. The board of directors and the supervisory board propose that you issue the net profit for the fiscal year 2009 as a divided. In our priority strategy, we laid out specific probability targets for the year 2012, and we continue to pursue them. Stop.